So now to create a pivot, we will select the pivot from the list of our components. We can call it as sales pivot. And in the dataset, we will select sales.cds. Now we'll get all the list of data columns available in that particular dataset. So here, add country to the rows, and whatever you want in the column, you can simply drag and drop that into the column. And in the values, you can set the value, I want the sum of extended price. And here I want display name and type to be total. Now save and exit. So here we have created our pivot.